Jobs for students online to earn money at home in Ghana. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to earn money right from your comfort home here in Ghana as a student. And then even referring people to this site, you can earn up to $100. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is Native Camp. You might ask me, what is Native Camp? It's an online platform that allows you to teach English language to foreigners and then earn money. So here you are going to apply as a tutor, and then the basic thing that they are going to ask you is your email address, an active email address, and then a password, a strong password. Your work here is that you are going to teach foreigners how to speak and then write English language. So all that you have to do is to just put in your email address, an active email address, and then a strong password. Make sure to remember the password, because after you put it in here and then you click on the apply, they are going to open the application platform for you to apply. So all that you have to do here is to hit on the apply button. Now all that you have to do is to enter the email address, the active email address that you used, and then you have to also enter the password that you used to sign up. So after you are done, what you have to do right here is to look at the submit button and then click on the submit. So as you see, they have sent us an email address, a confirmation email address into the email address that we used. So let's go into our email address and then open the message and then continue from there. So right here we have the sign up button here. So all that you have to do is to click on it, and then what you have to do is to go to the next step. What you are going to do now is to fill your basic information, your first name, your last name, and then choose the country that you are from, the country time zone. It is very important since you are going to teach based on the time. And then if somebody referred, you just put in the referral email address and then hit the confirm right here. They are going to give you the summary of all that you have entered, and then the next thing that you are going to do is to hit on the submit. So it is these steps that you are going to go through. The first step is English proficiency test. The second is that they are going to do a system check, and then the next thing that you are going to do is to learn their kits that you are going to use to teach, and then the demo lesson as well, and then you are going to take a quiz, and then you put in your account information. And then the proficiency test, it is 40 questions, and then it's a multiple choice question, and then it is not difficult. When you are ready to take the test, what you have to do is to hit on start test. This is how the test is. It is not that difficult. You can just take your time and then go through, and then you will see that it is basic English questions, and then you have to have a high score. What are the requirements? The requirement that you need is that you have to be at least 18 years old. No experience is required. You don't need any experience to be able to do this, and then they are going to give you teaching materials. But you need a laptop, and then the laptop with a webcam, and then you need a headset as well. That is the microphone that you are going to use to communicate with your students, and then you need a stable and then a quick internet connection. It is very important since you are going to teach online, and then you need a Chrome or a Mozilla browser. So the benefits of being a Native Camp teacher, it's flexible, and then you can teach at your own pace. So the work is flexible, working hours, you choose when to teach, and then you can work from home. So it is work from home job, and then it is based on performance. The more you teach, the more you earn. It is so easy, and then you get bonuses as well. Like based on your performance, you get bonuses. As I said, the teaching experience is not that required. So this is how a teacher you should look like. This is the requirement that they want. The next job that I'm talking about is Fiverr. You might ask me, what are we going to do on Fiverr? We are going to transcribe tree into English. We call it tree transcribers. We are having only 16 of them available as I am recording this video, and then they are earning a lot from it. All that they do is that they transcribe tree into English. So when you come to Fiverr, all these are the gigs, people who are transcribing tree language into English. It is very easy to do. Okay, if you want to know that what I'm saying is true, let's go to Upswork, and then you are going to see the amount of money that people are earning transcribing Tree into English. So this first person is earning $15 per hour, and then the person has earned over 2,000K for now with only 16 jobs. Let's look at the other one. The other one has also gotten 10K US dollars with only 32 jobs as I am recording this video. So all that you are going to do on Fiverr is to join Fiverr. You just click on the join and then create a gig. All that you are going to need is your email address. So when you put in your email address, then you hit on the continue. When you hit on the continue, you just put in your email address again, and then you put in your password, and then you hit on the join to create your gig. And then the gig that I'm saying is that we are going to transcribe Tree to English. So here is your profile, and then you can become a seller as well, and then you can refer a friend. And then the magic thing is that when you refer a friend, you can earn up to $100 just referring people to work on Fiverr. This is so convenient, and it's very easy to do. All that you have to do is to just copy the referral link and then share it to your friends for them to join. When you come to Upwork, you can also create a freelancer work and then work as transcriber, as I said, from Tree to English. So all that you have to do is to just apply as a freelancer, and then all that you're going to need is your email address. You just have to put in your email address and then your password, and that's you are ready to go. So you put in the password and then you log in, and then you can start making money. So you say you agree, and then you create an account on Upwork. So they are going to ask you some basic things, and then you have to upload your CV. So if you have your CV right here, all that you have to do is to just upload the CV, and then you'll be ready to go. The next job that I'm talking about is Jumia. You might ask me, what are you going to do? We are going to refer people to come and then buy from Jumia, and then we are going to earn money from it. You make commission selling items supplied by Jumia, you see, and then you earn rewards. So all that you have to do is to just create an account as an affiliate and then start referring people to Jumia to just buy from them, and then you make commissions from it. So all that you are going to need, as I said, is your email address, and then when you have your email address, just click on the next, and then you have to enter your password, and then you create account. So you are going to put in your first name and then your last name, and then you create your account, and then you are going to put in your number as well, your phone number. They are going to send you a verification code, and then you have to keep this number very well, this code very well, and then hey, you are done. You have created your Jumia account right now. So when you come to Jumia, now that we have our account created, what you are going to do is that we are going to find product that people really buy. So when you look here, we have this product that this watch that people really buy. Besides that, you can also sell on Jumia as well. You can sell any product that you own here on Jumia, and then you can make money. So thank you for being with me, and then see you in my next video.